Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to look at the easiest way you can remove black spots from your face, because these days we are suffering from black spots and we don't know what we can use in order to remove black spots. But in today's video, I decided to show you the easiest ingredients you can mix at home in order to get rid of black spots. Remember, this remedy is very effective, doesn't have side effects. What you have to do is to try it out and thank me later. But guys, I'm requesting you, if this is your first time to watch a video from Coach Uganda, guys, subscribe right now, give a like to this video, invite your friends to our YouTube channel Coach Uganda, and of course you have to tell us where you are watching this video from. So let us go to our preparation. I'll be back in a few minutes. I want you to get for me plain yogurt. Go to nearby supermarkets, get plain yogurt, because it's available in local markets, in supermarkets. So get only 2 tablespoons from your plain yogurt. You understand? But guys, this recipe is very powerful. It will help you to remove black spots from your face. From that, add for me 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then you have to mix very well, guys. Trust me, if you are suffering from black spots, you won't remain the same. In 2 weeks, you'll be having nice results. But guys, I'm requesting you to watch the entire video up the end, because I'm going to tell you how to use this recipe at home. Thank you so much. You just need that remedy to apply it in your face. Leave that remedy to stand in your face for 15 to 20 minutes. From that, use clean water or plain water to clean your face. Don't forget, after cleaning your face, you're supposed to dry your face, and of course you can apply your normal moisturizer you've been using every day. But I'm requesting you to get good results. Please do it at least 3 days in the week: Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Trust me, in 2 weeks you'll be having nice looking skin without black spots. So thank you so much. May God bless you. See you again. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.